Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We use this part 4 for the STL Patreon for July 2024. The ones we'll be looking at will be in the description down below. And we're looking at some D&D Warhammer proxies and figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. And let's get started. So we have OXO3D figures. We have another Sororitas sister, the Sisters of Battle. We're getting the I believe the Dreadnought system for the Sisters of Battle for it. So we're getting Eve and Shadowheart, the Sisters of Battle's War Sisters Warsuit for your figures. 3D printing realms. I think we're getting some kind of I think a drow, one of the drow goddess dancers. Wow, that's a horrible paint job. And you get Chung Li as well, but it's a horrible job. I can paint better than that. I'm not a good painter. Okay, Summer Forge miniatures. We got 5 parsecs from home. Something looks like these looks more like Zergs. And we have some cyberpunk style figures. We have a terrain. That's gonna be pretty cool terrain for 40k. And we have the forgot the mechanized imperial mechanized the freaking those one that's like freaking worship toasters at Mars. We got those for your proxy for Warhammer. The name is just does not really stick with me right now, but you can get a better look at it. So this looks pretty damn cool. We got the priest as well. Orcas, nope. Anime Girls STL, I think July. Are we getting this girl? The first one's Reiko Terama. Hope we make her big jugs. And I think I'm gonna pick NECA from Gunbuster, but I think from Robotech. Man, that's an old ass anime. Gonna be next. Okay, Clay Piece Creation. These are your proxies for Age of Sigmar and for Old World. It looks like we're getting the Vampire Squadrons for it. If you're interested, they do have some pretty good Skavens as well. If you're interested in that, if you want to look into their stuff. Okay, Flesh of Gods miniature. These are like the dark Elden Ring and Dark Souls type of miniatures. If you're interested in that. So we got the medium enemy. We got the Shadow Glazer or the Wizard Hunters, because their eyes will basically negate all magic from the wizards. So I'm an Archmage, the Invoker, the Necromancer, the Trickster, the Arcanist. Conjurer, the Transmuter, the Enchanter, the Illusionist, Abjuration, and the Diviner. I think this would be pretty good for the new Vecna campaign. You got the heroes as well. And we got the large, huge monsters, the Arcane Dragon, the Arcane Golem, the Arcane, the Living Spellbook, the Nightmare Griff. You got your diorama for it, and your bust, and your throwbacks. That's what we have: Goat Folk Wizard, Swamp Witch, Sedalina's Sand Sorcerer. That's that. Black Regiment. This is your Star Wars tabletop play. I hope you enjoy the adventure. May the Force be with you. Goodbye and thank you. Today is the D-Day, is the time to announce the end of this Patreon. I have tried everything to continue it, but today I no longer have a solution. I came to continue to lose subscriber. The gap between my main job and Patreon is now too huge, and after more than £20,000 loss in a 4 year, I prefer to stop here and fully back to my main job. Wow. So this will be his last one. So I hope you guys do get everything you guys can get from him from this month. He has a Mass Effect and Gears of Wars in there as well. Cast and play. You're doing town folks. So we have a lot of different races and stuff for your town's needs. and hopefully a lot of things that you could use. I see some taverns, some maids, I got some gnomes, halflings, some weird ones as well. But yeah, we got some town folks coming for you. 2.0. Clay cyanide miniatures. We actually gonna see something very up close, and it's this one. But yeah, oh shit, I'm trying to magnify it because some reason it won't. So we got these guys that are coming in. Some golem like. I think these are what is those Eberron races that are just robots? Man, I keep forgetting them. Warforge. These looks like a lot of different types of Warforge. If you're interested in that, for as the printed obsession, nothing coming out this month, but we can see what's going to happen for next month. We got Norwal. This looks like a mist. Got some Thundercats and a Mud Hippo. So it'll be elemental creatures, looks like it. White Wolf Tavern. We'll be looking at this. They're doing the desert. We already looked at some of the stuff that's coming in. We got the zombie barbarian girl for it. We got the cactus golem, but the Saragoro sentinel, dry lich. We got the crockle sphinx. We got the infected dryads. One has a snake. And another infected dryad set. We get a dust blight set. That's pretty good. And we got the zombie girl set as well. So that'll be it for White Wolf Tavern. We got the last sword, I believe. The last sword miniatures. We'll be getting more Bertolians for this coming month. So if you need more Bertolians and stuff for your old world, this would be a pretty good set for $10 for it to 3D print for your Bertolian set. Swannet, I won't get anything else for July for that. Van Vick miniatures. I know there'd be more Bertolian set, but not a lot of them has been released yet. But I'm gonna put some stuff down there for you in the bottom. And Dragon Rest. This will be your terrain piece. You have a column that you can plug it into your actual base format. These are more like terrain pieces for essential stuff that you can actually put in. Top parts of it, and then you have the bottom cavern. You have that little things here and there. But you know, there's more stuff that you can actually shove in here that will help you out build your terrain pieces, make more, you know, immersive and stuff for that in your game. Drunken Dwarf. That's July. We still don't know what we have here, but it is, you know, it's going to be kind of like more the chaos style. But I'm actually using this for my D&D campaign. It's one of the eldritch creatures in the Underdark. And we have our My 3D Print Forge, the Emerald Druid Forest as well. We got a lot of the bears that the Druid transforms into. I think one of the horns are the ones that from the Minotaur, the Orc transform into the bear. And these were the elves that transformed into the bears as well. We have the cats, Sabertooth. So you have some Druid polymorph for your game if you like. Or if you do World of Warcraft style. I forgot these birds are called. I kill a lot of them in World of Warcraft. But yeah. Get the deers. For your steed, you have a tree ant. With the trees, the healing form of the druid. Bird. I don't really play druid on World of Warcraft. I played Death Knight and Paladin. With This is the orc version of it. But yeah. Penske Miniatures. We finally got July. Got Aliens Reinsurgence. We got some soldiers. These are actually compatible one-page rules. We got the Predator Serpent. Looks really screwed up. We have the Mech, Exomech Defender, Hell Jumpers. From Hell. What's that game called? Hell. I haven't played it, but I know people played it before. But Transporters. We have Fabricator. We have the Troopers. It's pretty damn cool. We got the Xenomorphs. Drone. We got the Saint Sergeant James Meadows. Private Mitchell Brown. Private Lance Lyles. Really? Oh my God. That's me. I'm a private. Even though I'm a staff sergeant of the Air Force. Okay. That's really weird. My full name is Lancelot, not just Lance. I'm just saying Lance Lyles. That is really, really interesting. Work Bro. Probably the Android for it as well. And they should have what you call it. There's more stuff for the different sets. It's coming in as well. And here's your Cyberpunk. That's for June release. But yeah, you should look find out there's also Cyberpunk stuff here as well. That probably released later on. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day. Bye.